Is manifestation a scam? That's what we're going to talk about. She said manifestation is starting to feel like a scam that makes you only live in your imagination. Will it ever happen in the 3D though? So I first want to say I completely understand. It seems like a scam if you want something so bad and you're like, where is it? Why isn't it here? It's never going to come. I'm going to explain. So the first thing I want to say is we are manifesting 24/7, whether unconsciously or consciously. So before you knew about conscious manifestation, you were just letting your thoughts go on autopilot. You didn't realize that every single thing in your reality is just a projection of you. Everyone and everything in your reality is a reflection of you. So if you want to change your external reality, you need to change yourself internally, because every single thing is a reflection of you. The real reality is your 4D, 5D, which is your imagination. And once you persist in your new thoughts and assumptions about who you are, how you perceive the world, and how you perceive your desire in relation to you, then it gets pushed out into the 3D where you experience your desire. Sometimes people get tripped up where they will affirm and then they're checking the 3D to say, oh, do I see any movement? Or where is it? Or how's it going to come? Or why isn't it changing? That is what delays everything. You are not affirming to get something outside of you. You are affirming to remind yourself of who you are and what you are experiencing right now in the present moment. Once you desire something, it is done. There is already a parallel reality of you experiencing your desire. So what you are doing when you are affirming, visualizing, scripting, whatever technique you are using to get you into the state of having what you want, you are continuing to remind yourself that I am this version of me right now experiencing what I want, and I have my desire now. Once you continue to persist, it then gets impressed onto the subconscious mind, and you will then experience that in your reality. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is really happening in the 3D and what isn't happening. So you continue to impress your subconscious mind with the wish fulfilled, and you will experience your desire. Follow me for more tips.